Nano Editor is an alternative to Vim Editor. It does the same work as Vim. Nano is used to create and read files in the terminal. Let's create a new directory and name it learn. Now, let's go into the learn directory and check the list of its contents. You can see that it is an empty directory. We do not have anything there yet. For us to use Nano in the terminal, Nano must already be installed. Let's check the version of Nano to confirm whether it is installed or not. You can see that we did not get an error, and we can also see the Nano version. This shows that Nano is already installed in this terminal. So we can start using Nano to create files. Creating a file with Nano is very simple. We just need to type Nano followed by the name of the file you want to create. Let's name the file hello.txt. This is the Nano interface. Unlike Vim, you do not need to switch to any mode in Nano. Immediately Nano opens, you can start typing whatever you want to write in the file. Now, you can see some instructions down here. These are the Nano commands. After writing what you want in the file, the next thing is to save it. You can see the write out command there. This command is used for saving, and the shortcut is Ctrl O. That small symbol before the letters highlighted in gray represents the control key. That means you press the control key on your keyboard, and while still holding it, press the letter beside it. The control key is located at the bottom left side of the keyboard. You will see Ctrl written on it. So, to save the file, press Ctrl O. After that, press enter. Now, to exit the Nano interface, you can see the command here, which is Ctrl X. Let's press Ctrl X. You can now see that the current directory is no longer empty. We now have the hello.txt file. Let's use cat to read the file. You can see that it displays exactly what we wrote using Nano. You can also read the file directly with Nano by opening it again with Nano. You can see the text there. We can update the file by adding more text. After finishing what you want to write, press Ctrl O, then press enter to save. After that, press Ctrl X to exit. Let's create more file for more practice. Let's name it africa.txt. Let's write some text inside it. Then press Ctrl O, followed by enter to save. After that, press Ctrl X to exit. Now, let's open africa.txt again with Nano to read it. You can see everything we wrote there. If we do not make any changes to the file, we can exit directly by pressing Ctrl X. No saving is needed because nothing was changed. That is all you need to know about the Nano Editor.